Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the FPI Management app is and how it's positioned. According to official App Store listings, the FPI Management app is a resident services platform designed for tenants living in FPI-managed properties. It provides a centralized way to manage tasks, communication, and property-related information directly from a mobile device. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official descriptions, the app allows residents to handle rent-related activities and access account information through a mobile interface. It also includes maintenance request tools, where users can submit service issues and track them without contacting management separately. According to official information, the platform supports communication features that allow residents to stay connected with property staff and receive updates. The app may include community-related tools such as bulletin boards, events, or classifieds, although availability can depend on the property setup and is not confirmed for every user. Some descriptions also suggest access to additional features like local deals or announcements, but this could vary and is not guaranteed across all properties. The platform is specifically designed for residents of FPI-managed communities, meaning access typically requires being part of a participating property. Some features or functionality may depend on how the property is configured within the system, and this is not confirmed for every resident experience. This app may be useful for tenants who want a single place to manage rent, maintenance, and communication. For users interested in simplifying apartment-related tasks through a mobile interface, this could be an option. However, overall functionality and user experience can vary depending on property setup and system integration, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.